if you're in that boat or you're just wanting to try something else out that is completely natural, yeah, go ahead and get into the rinse I made. Okay, so I've made the hair mask. Is this a mask? Yeah, it's a mask, right? I've made the mask for my hair. I went and ran some errands. I had to get some things like hair ties, a continuous spray bottle, which is so cute. Look at it. So I got this continuous spray bottle, and don't look at my underarms, girl. You know that week or two where you need to go be waxed but they don't let you wax? that's where I'm at. But anyway, I got some food, some fruit. I had cantaloupe and blackberries for fruit, and then I had a fillet of salmon. I paired it with some onions, spinach, and cucumber. We're being healthy. Like, I'm very proud of myself. And then I bought some other snacks, but that's not why you're here, so why am I telling you? And some water. I haven't tried this water before, actually. This is what it's called. So I'm gonna drink that and take my hair down now, which is the fun part. I say that sarcastically, but yeah, so I'm just probably gonna keep munching on food and take my hair out and watch One Tree Hill, because apparently I'm watching the season again. Or maybe I'll do some old Real Housewives. I don't know. I'm gonna watch something and take these braids out because they're so overdue. But I will say, I'm so proud of how long I kept these braids in. I usually am a week and I'm ready for a new hairstyle. Not this time. So I have my towel because, you know, this can get messy. I have my hair parted into 4 sections, and I put the concoction, the hair mask, whatever you want to call it, I put it in this. I was gonna use the continuous spray bottle, but it just, I think it's too thick to go through that. It's aloe.
I want the money when you lean on the fall down tryna fuck you, baby. Hopefully we don't have no babies. I don't even wanna go back home. Hopefully I don't leave you on your own. Hit you up with the bomb, bomb, bomb. Not in love, but you still be my heart. Need 100,000 girls on my door. Spend my door, then we gotta get to go.
evidence.
Really?
Yeah. She recognized me. I know she did.
When she robbed you? There's no way she knew who you were.
Oh. All she saw was blind rage, but she knew.
Okay.
Wait, I knew something was missing. Oh, I love this lip combo. Should I add this? I can do the bottom first. I never wear lip gloss. Like this gloss, honey. It's gonna get me every time. Oh, so cute. Better. Here, you have to know. I know that's not what this video is about. Oh, so good. So nice. It's Fenty. Of course, like she does not miss. Let me go over one thing before we skedaddle. I don't know if you can tell, but my hair is brown. I know during the video it was black, but I just like my hair brown. It looks so cute on me. Before we go, I should mention that this is very much a rinse, and I use it as such, and oh my gosh, my hair was so unexpectedly soft. Like, I have low porosity hair. I know people say, oh, I have 4C, blah blah blah. I don't really know about all of that other stuff, but I know porosity is a true thing. Because honestly, I say I don't know very much about like A through 4 hair, because I have such different hair depending on where you look in my hair. Like, if you part in the back, it's gonna be a looser curl. If you go in the middle, it's gonna be tightest, you know. So like, the typing my hair like that doesn't really make sense for me, or when other people do it, I'm like, I don't know what you mean. But my ponytail is, you know, chef's kiss. But I know I was calling it a mask before now, but it's definitely a rinse, and it's so, oh, it worked wonders for my hair. Oh, I was telling you about the porosity of my hair, because usually my hair does not take it without heat, without the help of heat opening my hair shafts. It's just product sitting on top of my head, and that does literally nothing for me. And that's why I still was getting breakage, and like the damage was unbelievable. But I'm figuring things out. I'm not quite there yet. Like, I'm definitely gonna find a natural hairstylist, but as far as my routine at home, it has gotten a lot better once I've come to that conclusion. So if you're in that boat, or you're just wanting to try something else out that is completely natural, yeah, go ahead and get into the rinse I made. Like I said, my hair is brown, and the video was very much black. Like, can you say roots? I was originally trying to grow all of the color out of my hair. It just wasn't working out for me. Like, and also I have a braid appointment coming up, which is gonna be fire. I already know it's gonna come out great. I hope you enjoyed this video. Since you made it this far in the video, obviously you should just go ahead and like it and subscribe. If you'd like to comment, I would love that. I love to talk to people. I am a talker when I want to be. Sometimes I'm on mute, but when it comes to the internet, I love chatting, you know. I don't get anxious about it or anything. So if you have it, like I said, thank you so much for watching. Since you made it this far, make sure you are subscribed. Definitely subscribe, because I bought some new goodies, like hair and makeup goodies, that I'm gonna do in my next video. So just stay tuned for that, because it's gonna be lovely. If you can't see, I do my makeup in a very, like, I was gonna say natural, but what y'all are not gonna do is come for me. But when it comes to not completely altering your face, I do that type of makeup. Just pretty girl makeup that's not too much, you know. So tune in, girl. I'm excited. Like this, for instance, I cannot believe I hadn't had this product before, and I've seen it so many times. On my lip combo that I have, on the top lip I have PMS by Fenty, and then Shoddy by Fenty, which is like a nice dark orangish brown color. And then you see it. And then I have, like I showed you, this cream. Love this. Something about this formula is making me just want to go buy all of them that she offers. Anyways, thank you. So I'm late for a little date, child. So I'm gonna get on to that, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching Kind Views, and on to the moon, girl.
Drive me crazy, easy baby. You know you drive me crazy.